Alright, y'all. Let's taste test this thing. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Try it out. Dang smack. Got 4 flats on the Cadillac. That's where I got the fries from. God dang, that's good. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Nice and juicy. Tender like it's in a blender. Nice hot fries. Might be better than McDonald's. Real talk. Some Sprite Zero. Cause I ain't trying to have no diabetes. Alright, y'all. It's time for some fish puns. Why are fish so easy to weigh? Y'all give up? Y'all give up? Because they have their own scales. That's funny. Giant nice piece. Y'all ready for another one? How do shellfish get to the hospital? Hold up. In a clambulance. That's funny. Try this recipe, y'all. Shit's fire. Alright, I got one more for y'all and I'm out of here. What do you call a fish that practices medicine? It's gonna be a tough one. But all my fishermen should know this. I give up. A sturgeon. I've been opening up my own restaurant, Mac the Shacks. I'll charge $4 a sandwich. Fire, trust me, it's worth it. Comes with a free joke book from yours truly. Hear that crunch though? Y'all comment, like, share, subscribe one time, alright? They ain't trying to give your boy any more views. So please, like, share, comment, subscribe one time for the one time. Let's bite it. Next time, we eat Burger King booty.